What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today, guys, we're going to be looking at some pieces that I ordered from Overland Designs. I ordered these a couple months ago. They did take a while to get here, but the good news is they are here. And these are just some extra Alcantara pieces to kind of finish off the OEM Plus Alcantara look that I was looking to go with the interior. So we're going to have the gauge hood, and we're also going to have the wing trim pieces. So I'll go ahead and get those unboxed, and I will also install those, since those only take about 5-10 minutes to install. Nothing too hard to do. So with that being said, let's get started. Once again, these are from Overland Designs. If you're interested, I can provide a link for these pieces as well. Keep in mind, I did order these back in July, and I'm just getting them now. So just a heads up that there is some back order, because there's a lot of companies who are trying to like create some of these aftermarket pieces, or not aftermarket, but OEM pieces, and add, you know, Alcantara in different styles, different type of leathers to these pieces. So for Honda, I guess they're buying in big bulk orders. These third-party companies that are using these pieces, and Honda, what ends up happening is Honda's getting these parts on back order. So it's just have some patience if you're going to order, or check with whichever vendor you go with. If you go with Overland Designs or Civic, I've gone with both companies, and both seem to offer really good quality. Okay, so here's just a detailed shot of the pieces. They've been unboxed, unwrapped, with the black Alcantara with the red stitching, just to kind of match the OEM pieces that are already in my interior that came from Honda. This is just upgrading some of the hard plastics to the softer Alcantara material, along with the red stitching to match what's already in the interior. And with the gauge hood, I went with the black top. If you do choose any other color than black, I've heard that there's quite a bit of glare, so be careful for that. I haven't seen it, for myself in person, but it's just what I've heard on the forums, that if you go with a different color than black, that tends to add quite a bit of glare. And then on the bottom, I went with red, just to kind of have it stand out and add some pop. So yeah, this is the pieces, and this kind of completes the OEM Plus look that I was going for. If you guys have already watched my previous videos, I have the Civic Alcantara, the thicker version of the OEM steering wheel. It's all black Alcantara with the red stitching. And I also have the Overland Designs shift boot with the same black Alcantara with red stitching. And we're gonna go ahead and get these pieces installed, and once we do that, I'll get some shots of the interior so you can see that as well. Alright guys, so just wanted to highlight, so I do have the Overland Designs shift boot for the shifter, and then this is the Civic Alcantara thicker version of the steering wheel. Like I said, I have a previous video on both of these installations, and the pieces that I'm going to be using, or the pieces that we're going to be replacing, are these hard wing trim pieces right here, the hard plastic. We're going to replace both of these with these Alcantara with the red stitching, black with the red stitching, and we also are going to be replacing this hard plastic gauge hood. And to do that, just going to be using this plastic removal tool. Like I said, this should take 5 to 10 minutes to do. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so the plastic pieces are out. Like I said, just simple. You're just using the plastic tool, finding the space, and just prying it until you're able to lift it and then wiggle it out. So pretty simple removal. And then for installation, just place the Alcantara pieces and press in so they go through your end clip. All right guys, so the wing trim pieces are in and it looks pretty nice. Add some good suede, and like I said, it just matches the factory Alcantara pieces that came with the car as well. And then with the steering wheel, the addition, the red trim as well, and now the shift boot and the wing trim pieces. So last piece is the gauge hood, so let's go ahead and pry this off and we'll get the other one installed. Alright guys, so we have the OEM gauge hood off, and right there. And just one more look at the differences. Got the red bottom, the Alcantara on the top. So nice, good quality. Alright guys, so the interior is done. We have the new wing trim pieces, which quality was great, fitment was great as well. Installation for this piece is fairly simple as well. So there's just a look at that. Look at the steering wheel. This is once again from Civic. All the other pieces are from Overland Designs. And we have the gauge hood as well. I'll give you guys a shot of that. Looks really good. Fits in well with the interior. The red under visor part with the rest. It's good, yeah. So this is my finished interior pieces. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the install. If you have any questions or if I didn't cover anything that you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions there. Shout out to Overland Designs, awesome product, and shout out to Civic as well. Really enjoying the steering wheel. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you check that out. And I also just want to give everybody a big thank you, man. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So once again, if you haven't subscribers, this is your first time on the channel, definitely help support the channel. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up as well. I do want to give you guys a quick preview as to what is coming up next. So I have a package from Esoteric. They're a car detailing company. And so I purchased my ceramic coating for my new wheels. So stay tuned for that. I will unveil those very soon. And like I said, I have the ceramic coat, the Kamikaze Stance. It is the same ceramic coating that I used on the CE28s that are on the car right now. Those will also be for sale soon as well. So stay tuned for those videos coming up very, very soon. Also, guys, for the 1,000 subscribers, I figured that, I know I mentioned about giving this away in a previous video, but I figured that we'll go ahead and make this one of the items, or the item that I'll go ahead and give away for the 1,000 subscribers. And follow me on my Instagram. I always kind of post there first and then followed by YouTube. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram as well, I'll put my handle there. So it's Vegas_type_R. So feel free to follow me on Instagram as well. Like I said, videos coming up for the new wheels. I'll be ceramic coating those very soon, and also be giving away for the 1,000 subscribers. Also, just a side note, I received this in the mail from my dealership that I purchased my car from, and they send me these, like, if not like once every 2 weeks, at least once a month, and they're just offering for me to trade my car back in, and that's the amount, or the listed amount, that they'd be willing to give me. But just thought that was funny. I'm not going to trade in my car at all. I love the Type R, so this car will be with me for a very long time. Like I said, I really appreciate everybody, all the support. Yeah, So that's gonna end it for this video. I'm out.